Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Douglas Road Elementary School, home of the Kicking Mules in Lambertville, Michigan, part of the Bedford Public School District. In the gymnasium again today, got to address grades Y5 to 5th grade, young fives all the way through the final grade here at the school. And the topic today was on respect, right? I've been here multiple times in years past. We always talk about the miracle concept as well, the M on all of our palms with the lines on our handhead letter M. I always trace one of mine to remind ourselves that we are true miracles worthy of love to both give it and receive it. And it's such an important life lesson to comprehend at a young age, hopefully, so we can be that light to other people's hearts, you know? And just something I really try to push as the sub-theme in this particular presentation. But the respect aspect, right, what they really preach here in BPS is the idea that we're trying to be kind, responsible, but also respectful, right? Part of our Bedford best. And that respect, it's for ourselves, first and foremost, but it's also towards others, our property, right? Our school grounds, our home where we live, all those things combined. But also really understanding kind of this underlying principle of the golden rule too, right? That we treat others the way that we want to be treated. If we want respect, well, we have to give it, of course. And even when some people are disrespectful to us or might say things that hurt our feelings, we have that opportunity to rise above that hate, right? To still choose love no matter what. And that's not always easy, I get it, right? If someone hurts me, the easy thing to do is to just push right back. But we talked about the power of the pause, you know, taking a breath, assessing the situation, you know, maybe literally taking a step back and, you know, not punching right back, not saying a mean comment right back to escalate the situation, but to hopefully, you know, put yourself in someone else's shoes, you know, see them for who they are. Maybe there's something going on in their life and their heart. And we can either be someone that contributes to more heart marks or heart bruises, the ones that we can't see, only feel, or we can be the people that erase them, right? And when you do something nice for someone, when you help someone, when you include them, when you decide to be their friend, not only does it erase marks on their heart, it also erases some on ours, right? Because it feels good to be helping someone else, to actually do good. And, you know, all of us, yes, we're different on the outside. It makes schools like this beautiful. The people here are so amazing. You know, all the diversity, one of the topics we've spoken on in years past. But from the inner side, you know, inside, we're all the same. Right? We all have the same heart. We all have the same feelings, and we have to be conscious and aware of our actions, you know, how we choose to either say things that are going to uplift someone or tear them down. But hopefully we choose the former, right? To always, you know, be able to share our hearts, show that respect, consciously choose that kindness, and really start to heal this world. So thank you for touching my heart. It's always beautiful getting to come back again and again to build on what we spoke on during my previous visits. Can't wait to return again, hopefully in the future, near future. But until then, feel free to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation, and feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.